Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. If you're new here, I want to wish you a warm welcome. And to my old subscribers, I want to say thank you guys for your support. It's because of you guys I am motivated to come here at least 3 times a week and do these recipes. I think if I wasn't getting the support, I would not have been, this motivated. I mean, I love cooking and stuff, but all of this stuff is hard work. And I don't think I would have been motivated to do this if you guys weren't supporting me. So I just wanted to say thank you and get that out of the way. Now in today's video, I will be cooking up a delicious stuffed chicken breast. This is going to be absolutely amazing. But before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I want you to consider doing so. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. It helps the channel out a lot. Now let's jump right into it. Okay guys, now let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have 3 chicken breasts. I did went ahead and wash them in vinegar and lemon juice and pat them dry. I have some frozen spinach here. If you want to use the fresh ones, you can. I have garlic, onions, tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese. I have chicken bouillon, paprika, some seasoned salt, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. So to get started, we'll add all our seasonings to one bowl, mix until well combined, and we'll set it aside. So while I was prepping and cleaning the chicken, I did go ahead and cut the chicken in the middle, making a pocket. This is where we will stuff the chicken. But I did leave one back so that I could demonstrate to you guys how I actually did it. So now I'll go ahead and I will, slit the chicken down the middle, making sure that you don't create a hole inside of the chicken. So you just take your time, go in with a knife, and you make a pocket right in the middle, as deep as possible. And there is where we'll stuff the chicken. So now we'll go ahead and season our chicken, but we will leave about 1 tablespoon back to add to our filling. So you want to set aside about 1 tablespoon of the seasoning, and we will use the rest to season up our chicken, making sure the chicken is well coated on all sides. We will even put some of that seasoning inside of the pocket so that you have a nice flavorful chicken. Once we're done, we'll go ahead and set up our stuffing. Next, we'll combine our spinach, cream cheese, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and we'll add our seasonings here to add flavor and taste to the mixture. Then we will add our mozzarella cheese. Once everything is well combined, we'll go ahead and start stuffing our chicken. Next, we'll go ahead and stuff the chicken by placing our stuffing in the middle of the pocket that we made. I will be using my hands because I find this to be easier, guys. If you want to go ahead and use a spoon or whatever, you can do that. but I find that my hands are the best tools in the kitchen, and I get the job done better this way. So we'll stuff this chicken, and then, we'll get ready to start searing the chicken. What you want to do right now is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And you want to stuff the chicken, but don't overfill it. I'm telling you guys, don't overfill it, but I'm still filling up mine because, I like it this way. And if you want, you can close the pocket up using a toothpick. You can like seal them together so that the filling doesn't ooze out as it cooks. But I don't have a problem with it oozing out, so I'll leave mine this way. But if you don't want yours oozing out, you can close the pocket up with some toothpicks. Once we're all done, we'll get ready to sear the chicken. In my cast iron skillet, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I will add my chicken. We want to develop some nice color on this chicken. We want it to become nice and golden brown. So we'll cook it for about 3 minutes on each side, and then we'll finish it off inside of the oven. After 3 minutes, you want to give it a flip and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. Then we'll place it inside of the oven for about 10 minutes. You never want to overcook your chicken breast or it will become tough and dry, and you don't want that. So this is the finished product of my delicious stuffed chicken breast. Guys, when I tell you, this was absolutely amazing. It was so full of flavor, so rich and juicy. My entire family enjoyed this. I did pair it up with some garlic mashed potatoes and some garlic butter green beans. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!